Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin.
The platter makes a great flywheel for the magnets, and initially I used printer motor coils just to check out the SSG circuit to see that the table would spin, which was a great success. So then I decided to make my own coils using a table leg for the ends and a tube, and this would give me a form to put the trigger wire on using a degaussing coil 22 gauge wire and the wire from the printer for the trigger winding. This resulted in a trifilar winding because the printer had bifilar windings on it. Mounted this all on my table again to see how it works with the flywheel, and connected my SSG circuit, triggered off the reed switch, and that seemed to work just great. So I decided to go a little bit further and try the generator coil and see if the trigger side of things would work, and of course that worked really well as well. Really pleased with this. About 150 volts coming off of the trigger coils. So that success in hand, I made another coil, this time a little bit cleaner, with some connectors on it and a PC board to mount on my table, and checked that out with the SSG circuit, and it worked really good. So to test more coils, I made a new mounting surface and gave the coils an adjustment for sweet spot centering to the table magnets, and created a couple of extra coils, this one with a concrete split ring to check that out. And I had one with a ferrite core to see how that looks. So far I've made 3 coils, soft iron core, ferrite, and the split ring one. And that's been working really great. Running essentially the table off of about 13 volts at 400 milliamps at this point. And now moving on to the stage to try and charge some batteries to see if this concept works.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.